Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate credit limit increase requests with Chase step by step clearly. To begin your credit limit increase request with Chase, open your internet browser. Navigate to the official Chase website. Log into your Chase account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Accounts section at the top of the page. Click on the credit card account for which you want to request a limit increase. Look for the Services or More option in the account details. Select Request Credit Limit Increase from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to a new page with information about the request process. Read through any requirements or guidelines provided by Chase. After reviewing, click on the Continue button to proceed. Fill in the required information regarding your income, employment, and housing status. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information. Review your request for accuracy before submitting. Once everything looks correct, click on the Submit button. You will receive a notification confirming the receipt of your request. Chase will then evaluate your request and notify you of their decision. This process usually takes a few minutes but can sometimes take longer. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your request. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.